I thought my audience would be craving for something delicious. What about pizza today? Cutting the crap. Instead of kneading dough by hand, modern machines handle the job easily. They roll the dough into thin sheets and sprinkle dry flour on it to prevent sticking. Because of yeast's magical properties, the dough expands a bit. So these machines equipped with pins and wheels poke tiny holes in the sheets to let out the air and cut them in perfect round shapes. Following that, now comes pizza sauce. Automated dispensers spread the sauce evenly over the dough, avoiding the edges, of course. This delicious layer of sauce can create a storm of flavor in your taste buds. Okay, if not a storm, then tsunami for sure. Kidding, no offense. Till now, the dough is pre-baked to form a strong base that can hold all the toppings. Even those good-for-nothing kind of people like me love this step. It's super satisfying. The choice of toppings depends on the type of pizza being prepared, as every company has its own signature flavors. Once the pizza is fully topped, it's packed with great care to ensure everything stays clean and safe. When pizza is here, you're back in the sphere. I mean, all your cravings come to rest on that first deliciously creamy bite of your favorite pizza. So I have decided to give you a detailed tour to this second amazing factory that makes pizza, but people don't get to see their inside scenes often. Unlike the first one, they set the dough in individual molds and let them get fully prepared for further toppings. Some of you might wonder who likes to eat these frozen pizzas when you can grab a fresh one from a nearby restaurant, isn't it? The answer is, these frozen pizzas offer a perfect solution for an unexpected guest or out-of-the-blue appetite. Plus, it's affordable. You can consider it more like a delicious meal that gets ready in under 30 minutes, requiring zero effort, except that you need to put it in the oven. Now that seems like a real effort. It's coming your way. I hope you don't forget this tour. Many factories produce bear-shaped soft sponge cakes that involve several critical steps. But I must say this one amazing factory I chose to show you is somewhat more efficient. Watch and let me know. Here comes the smartest way to create thousands of cooked pasta boxes with the same dedication and taste, but only through machines. As these machines make ready-to-grab pasta boxes for you, let me tell you why it is necessary for them to prepare in a bunch. What would be the best reason than that it will be a quick fix for unexpected appetite, a weeknight staple, or late-night cravings? Furthermore, factory-made pasta is hygienic and safe to consume. This gives consumers peace of mind knowing they are enjoying a safe and wholesome meal. Hey, a quick question. What is it you want to watch in our upcoming videos? We will definitely consider it. Drop your comments. This unique mixture is what gives the final product its irresistible crunch and superb flavor. We are talking about crispy fried mushrooms. So here these mushrooms are getting coated with that breading, which will change the entire game of crispiness. After receiving their cloak, the mushrooms take a dip in a high-tech vat filled with carefully chosen cooking oil. The mushrooms spend just the right amount of time in this hot bath, achieving a beautiful golden brown color that signifies crispy perfection. The journey doesn't end there. After their frying adventure, the crispy mushrooms are rapidly cooled for final packaging. This quick process locks in the delicious flavors and prevents the oil from seeping into the crispy coating. Fresh eggs are taken to the cracking station where the machines crack them open with precision. Each egg is delicately separated into yolks and whites. A little pasteurization is important to keep the beaten egg yolks and whites from any potential harmful bacteria. Now this final step involves filling the yolks into bacteria-resistant pouches, ensuring hygiene and freshness. Something special is coming ahead. This pot contains perfectly cooked rice that is going to be poured in several prepared meal boxes to serve you with the convenience. This has been all done through machines, which are way more responsible than many of, what do I say, chefs. Other ingredients containing chicken balls and several gravies will also be poured with the help of the latest machines to avoid any mess. The entire process will be carried out so smoothly that you barely even see any grain or spillage. This might be new, but I found it a more efficient way of handling bulk meal preparations, especially when they need to run a really expanded business. This will keep the meal fresh and tasty, and this concept is basically introduced for busy bodies to just grab, reheat the meal, and it's done. Whether slathered with butter and jam for breakfast, paired with a hearty soup for lunch, or torn into chunks to accompany a rustic dinner, sourdough adapts effortlessly to any occasion, always leaving us craving just one more bite. I like these sourdough callings. Patience is key for Parmesan cheese. We said that because of what we will tell you. You know its aging process takes a minimum of 2 years, and even some are aged for much longer to develop its complex flavors and crumbly texture. Have you ever wondered why you find perfectly uniform peach chunks in cans and frozen bags? The entire credit goes to these machines and, of course, that automation. The resulting peaches will be pre-cut and ready to use, saving you the time and effort of buying, washing, and chopping fresh peaches. By sealing the chunks in huge bags, factories can protect this delicate fruit from spoilage, maintaining their freshness and flavor. Dried apricots are renowned for their high content of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. It also has vitamin C that is vital for collagen synthesis, meaning completely changing your skin tone and texture to a healthy one. You're craving a delicious cherry pie, but sadly it's not cherry season? That's where canned cherries swoop in to save the day, or I must say, your mood. With their convenient packaging, canned cherries offer a quick and easy way to satisfy your sweet tooth. On the other hand, cherries are also packed with powerful nutrients, for example antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support our health.